Ghanaian bananas. A side dish from Ghana? Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the bananas in half, lengthwise and then crosswise. Step 2. Blend sugar and cinnamon and dip the bananas in this mixture until coated. Step 3. Place the 4 quarters cut side down, side by side, in a 9-inch round or square oven-proof dish. Step 4. Blend the orange juice with a curacao or apricot brandy. Pour this juice over the bananas. Step 5. Sprinkle shredded coconut or chopped peanuts over the top. Step 6. Serve piping hot directly from a baking dish. Step 7. Pass a bowl of sour cream, sweetened by brown sugar as garnish. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.